I just wanted to pop in real quick and give you a little pointer. I went grocery shopping the other day. And so, being that it is the apocalypse, we buy for like a month. I always buy a lot, at least for 2 weeks, because I hate going all the way across town and leaving the quarter and then coming back and trying to find a place to park. But if you just simply don't want to go to the store all the time to get produce, this is a great way that you can buy extra and actually keep it fresh for a few weeks. So, I have a couple of things to show you examples of. So, green onions. It is a good idea to wrap these in paper towels, and that's kind of what I'm showing you on all these things, wrapping them in paper towels. Because if you look at this, coming closer, if you see all the moisture in the bag, that is what is going to rot your vegetables, sometimes within days, like a day. Same here, you're going to see a lot of moisture on these herbs. This is cilantro. Also, it gets very cold, so the paper towels are going to help to like do a barrier between the cold, and it's going to leach any moisture away from it and keep this fresh. I've had cilantro stay fresh for 3 weeks wrapped in paper towels. Now, you might want to change the paper towel after like a week, just depending, but to start off, you just wrap them up. I got some cucumbers wrapped up and just take them individually. I know this seems like a lot of wasted paper towels, but you're going to save a lot of vegetables, so yeah. Green beans, same thing I'm going to do with those, and I'll kind of show you, set these herbs aside for now. So for the green beans, I'm just going to take, you're welcome to wash these first if you want to, and then just let them like lay out on a towel to dry really well before you put them in the refrigerator. I kind of wash mine as I go, because I don't really want to take all the time to do that now, because you would have to wait till they really got dry before you wrap them in the paper towels. Just empty them out of the bag and wrap them up. Now, you can put them back in this bag. I'd probably cut a couple holes in it if I were you. And that's what I do if I don't have any of my other bags saved. I will save anything that you get vegetable-wise at the produce department, things that have holes in it, because this is also going to let air get to your produce and herbs, and it really won't rot as quickly. These also have zippers on them. So as you can see, I have like a basket of different sized ones. Also like your lemon and lime, orange bags, stuff like that. These are great for herbs. Just wrap them in paper towels, stick them in here, and that'll keep them fresh probably the longest. So yeah. Another thing you might not even think of when you're thinking about your produce becoming bad is mushrooms. So there's little holes in the top of the mushroom container usually, and usually they put that weird little spongy stuff at the bottom. But I've literally kept mushrooms for 2 months in my refrigerator at one point. I forgot they were in there. They were at the bottom, and when I found them, I was like, oh no. And when I opened them up out of the paper towels, they looked like I just bought them. And we're talking organic mushrooms, so it's not like there's some weird conventional mushroom that might not even really be a mushroom. So, same deal, you just dump them into the paper towel. This actually doesn't even have one of those weird little foam things in it, but if it did, take it out, throw it away, because it's already attracted a lot of moisture. And wrap them up and throw them back in. Sometimes it'll rip, you know, because it's kind of tough on it, but just make sure they're nice and covered with the paper towel. They can go right in your fridge. And I mean, I'm not going to guarantee 2 months. I'm just saying I kept mine for 2 months at one point. This will definitely keep them for a long time. No reason to rewrap them with plastic or anything like that. Just set them right in there like that. That's pretty much what I wanted to let you guys know today. So give it a try. Let me know what you think and see if your stuff stays fresher a little longer. Have a good one, guys.